Okay, so let's take a look at how you can return variable with column alias in Neo4j. So what I'm gonna do is open command prompt and start Neo4j service. Okay, also you can go with Neo4j console if you want and run this. Okay, now in new tab in your browser, type in localhost 7474. That should open Neo4j browser, and what we want out of it is the query editor. Now here what I will do is I will just add few lines, and now what I will do is I will use match, and then I will point to a node. Let's see, a node name plant, and I want to have its properties for family. Okay, so what we'll do is we will return plant.name and plant.year. Okay, so if you want to fetch particular node properties, then you will use that node name and then dot property for each. Okay, and we will run this, and here you see the plant name and plant year table is formed here. So here you can see only one plant has no year specified. So you get the idea how to return specific variable with column alias in Neo4j.